We've got some Power Hour up on the board for you guys today. I always ask to see who's more like me and who wasn't. Who remembers Power Hour from their younger days? A different type of Power Hour? Okay, there's like 5 people who are honest in here. Cool, okay. If you didn't do Power Hour, it's where you had a beverage, you know, like an orange juice or a water, and you took a drink of it every minute. The song would change, okay? It's going to be similar to that, except we're going to do with exercises today, okay? 4 people in your group, like if you have it, okay? 1 person would start on each of the movements in the station, okay? How it works, okay? The rep count that's by the movement, okay? You have 1 minute to finish that rep count, okay? If you finish the rep count of that movement in the minute, okay, you get to sit and rest and enjoy the rest of your minute taking a break, okay? If you don't finish the rep count and the next minute starts, it doesn't matter if you're finished or not, you drop down and you start doing the next rep count, okay? Most of these guys, we put numbers on there that you should be able to finish within the minute or cutting it pretty close to where you can get some break time in there, okay? So, person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4, okay, first minute goes by, and everybody shifts, so now it's person 1, person 2, person 3, person 4. And you're gonna shift again and again. Okay, we're gonna go through the whole station twice, okay? Once we go through the whole station twice, we'll break for a little bit, give out some high fives, get some water, then we'll jump in. Now you're in station 2, doing the same thing. Okay, we want everybody to kind of spread out. It doesn't matter which station you start on. Is there any questions on how it breaks down? You will know when the minute is up, okay? Because I actually do it to where I do change the song every minute. Okay, so it's just like Power Hour from college, baby. Okay, does anybody have any questions? Everybody ready to rock? All right, so let's jump into the demo, okay? Station 1 is going to be kind of up here in the front part of the room. Again, guys, just try to make sure that you're spread out as good as you can. We got 25 each leg, single leg power steps. So this one's more explosive. You go down, you tap. Okay, you do 25 on one leg, and then you switch, and then you go 25 on the other leg. We've got 30 explosive push-ups. Okay, this one can be done either from the toes or from the knees. However you want to do it, just make sure that you're getting some distance between your hands and the floor as you are pushing up. We've got 40 alternating can openers. So for this one on the edge of the box on the floor, where we're taking one leg up and it comes back down before the other one comes up. Okay, keeping those legs as straight as we can, so we don't want to flutter kick. We want to isolate that one side up and down, and then isolate the other leg up and down. Okay, 40 of those. And we've got, this one doesn't have a rep count, but you're just going to hold your plank for 1 minute. Either palm plank or forearm plank, it's up to you. Station number 2, we've got burpees for 15, chest down to the floor, good explosion up off of the floor. We've got deck rolls, okay? For deck rolls, the heavier the dumbbell, the more easy that it's going to be. So you're going to squat down, you're going to reach the dumbbell back behind you as you roll back. You're going to use that momentum after you bridge your hips up to go ahead and stand all the way back up. Okay, for 10. Remember, the heavier the dumbbell on that one, the easier it's going to be, because the more momentum you create. Shovels for 20 on each side. Okay, this one, so station 2 is going to kind of be over on that side of the room. Okay, get yourself one of these plates. Okay, we've got options 25, 35, 45. Okay, a 10, probably a little bit light for most of us, but we got that option as well. Okay, so you're going to start out on the right side, come and shovel over your left side. So that's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're shoveling 20 on the right side to left and 20 on the left side to the right. We've got 20. Can you do this, Henry? Okay. 20 each side crunches. So knees are going to be turned over to the side, short range of motion. Okay, shoulders are coming off the ground just ever so slightly. Okay, but what we don't want to do is be turned and actually do like a side crunch this way. Okay, yeah, we don't want to do that. We want to come straight up on that side crunch. Okay, 20 on each side there. Station number 3, going to kind of be over on this side of the room. We've got medicine ball lunge slams. Okay, this one's going to be, what I put up there, 15 on each side. So for this one, we're going to be down. That back knee is going to be actually lunging. Okay, so we're going to get those legs working and activated. Okay, so we're not standing like this. Okay, we're lunged. Ball's going outside of the front knee. So we're coming and slamming it back over to the other side, slamming it. Okay, 15 on one side, switch, and then 15 on the other side. It's like that with these medicine balls. We've got 25 jackknife. Get yourself a light to moderate dumbbell. dumbbell goes back behind, and then we are meeting it up at the shins at the top. Barbell curl to press. So build yourself a bar that's moderate but challenging for you. We're gonna have the reverse grip, so our knuckles are gonna be up facing the ceiling. Okay, we're gonna get a nice good squeeze in the bicep and then pressing it overhead to get a burn in the upper chest and the shoulders. 15 of those, so this shouldn't be a problem to finish in a minute. So let's make sure that we slow down, get a nice good tempo, and we're not just flinging it up there, okay? 15, jump lunge, pop squat. So all three of those is 1 rep. So that's jump lunge, pop squat. That's 1, jump lunge, pop squat. That is 2. Station number 4, single arm push press. For this one, we get yourself a challenging weight, okay? We're gonna have one leg back behind us for support, okay, a little bit of balance, and you're just gonna pop that weight up. Okay, this is the one where we do wanna have that little cheat in there. We don't wanna just be able to sit there and do this. Okay, so we wanna have enough weight to where we have to use that little cheat and kip in there, okay? 20 ball slams, pick that ball up above your head and slamming it back on down. We've got 40 diamond crunch, keeping that diamond up on our forehead, taking that knee up to our elbow. Make sure that diamond stays on our forehead, because if it drops, we're not getting any core work, okay? So make sure that diamond stays up there on our forehead. And then we got 12 each side heavy snatches. Get something heavy, squat down, pull hard, pull fast. Zip an upward coat, 12 on one side and then 12 on the other. Anybody have any questions?